One of the best parts about fitting movement into your day is the great feeling a good workout leaves you with. Well, this next woman says her healthy habit of sprinting gives her an unbeatable rush of endorphins. The best way to pick up a healthy habit is to find out what works for others.
Go! Go, let's go!
Hi, my name is Liz. I'm a registered nurse. I'm also a nursing instructor, and my healthy habit is sprint training. I love doing this because I get an endorphin high from it, I get a good exercise workout, and I love to train for the Senior Olympics.
Liz, sprint training is your healthy habit. What does that mean exactly?
Explosive movements over a short period of time. It means just starting at a point and giving it all you got to get to the finish line.
So how did you get into sprint training?
It was actually my interest in the Senior Olympics. One of their events is sprints. So I was always a very slow runner. So I decided to start doing the sprint training, especially uphill, and it's decreased my times when I take it to a flat track.
We know there's a ton of health benefits from it, physical benefits. What do you feel when you're doing this workout?
It increases my lower body strength. It increases my heart rate. I burn more calories. I get an increased lung capacity. It has increased my endurance beyond belief. And I'm 57, I have arthritis in both knees, so running uphill actually is reduced risk of injury than running downhill. So for me, it's a perfect fit for training for the Senior Olympics.
Talk about the mental benefits it has after this workout.
It's a stress reliever. So I can have a very hard day at work and come here and run, and I leave here just feeling refreshed.
How do you fit this in? You're busy.
I put it on my calendar, I put a time on it, and I schedule things around it. I don't cancel it to do other things. I make it a priority so that I do it.
Yeah, I'm excited to try this. You ready?
It is exhausting.
I'm in. If you have a healthy habit you want us to check out, let us know on Facebook or Twitter, and you can see it featured right here on the show. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.